Hello, my name is Jared Stormer. I'm a project coordinator at Denver Zoo, and I joined the AIP program in the summer of 2018. For me, the AIP program offered me the chance to change my educational focus from my undergrad, which was in advertising and communications with some focus in marketing, and go more towards conservation science, which has always been my passion. When I first began in the advanced inquiry program, I was very focused on waterways and protecting our access to clean, fresh water. However, as I moved through the program in the landlocked state that is Colorado, I quickly realized that there maybe were more pressing concerns and things that I could address that would be more impactful to my local community. So in my second year in the program, I began to shift my focus to something else that I have experience with, and that's working in bars and restaurants. I've worked in various bars and restaurants at various positions: bartender, waiter, manager. And the more I understood the scope of the AIP master plan, I really thought there was an area of opportunity there. Bars and restaurants are a major part of American life when we're not in a crippling pandemic. The average American will eat out at about 5.9 times per week. The problem lies within the inefficiencies of the processes that are required to make a successful bar and restaurant. There are several standard practices of most bars and restaurants that contribute to climate change and will stretch our global resources. So some of the problems I really wanted to focus on in this master plan were the use of single-use plastics and their impact on the environment, excessive water usage and wastewater, excessive food waste and inefficient disposal of food waste, inefficient energy use, and carbon emissions. I set out to learn as much as I could about some of these challenges and how they are exacerbated in bars and restaurants, and from there decided that my master plan would be developing a series of seminars that I would call the Bar and Restaurant Sustainability Seminars, or BARS. And these seminars would be an opportunity for me to sit down and present to local bar owners, restaurant owners, employees, the staff, some of the better practices to conserve resources and to remove inefficiencies within the process. So as I continue to move forward after the master plan has been turned in, I hope to actually develop these seminars to the point where I could go sit down anywhere in the country with any bar or restaurant staff, and that these best practices could translate over to them. I want to thank everyone that helped me in my AIP journey, from the professors to the administrators at Denver Zoo, to my cohort and all my classmates. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate the opportunity.